Hey everybody, I'm going to take you around my house to show you some of the things we put up for Halloween this year. A lot of these projects are very inexpensive or just crafty DIYs. My spider on my head is actually decor from Target. It's really fun to just take any kind of creepy thing and stick it on your head, especially if you're a mom or a teacher. The kids go nuts. Hey guys, you can see me. So one of the first things I want to show is this mirror in the play area of our house. We have pumpkins for mom, dad, our kids, grandparents, Grammy, uncle, and even the cats. This is such a cute way to represent everybody in your family that you love. All you do is take regular white paper, color it, draw a pumpkin, and if you have a laminator, go ahead and laminate it. And then you just make little name tags. It's super fun, and my daughters love hanging these up every year. One thing we use a lot of at our house is chalk. We kind of have these ugly retaining walls in our yard, but we like to use chalk to spruce it up. And here we actually wrote best friends and made a butterfly so that when our kids stand there with one of their friends, it looks like a really cute picture, and just added a couple hay bales and some pumpkins to make it fun. Back here in the little play kitchen area, more pumpkins, and of course we have pumpkins in the play kitchen area, and along with the seashells and corks, we also have pine cones and acorns and leaves. My cousin sent leaves to us from back east. So this wreath we got at Michael's, and my daughter picked everything out that goes on it. We had these were left over from my project, but she picked out they have like those creepy little characters, and she just really liked the vampires. So we decided that every year we're gonna add more characters to it. We also had a really good time. My daughter picked this. It's like a birdhouse out from Michael's, and she actually painted it and glittered it herself, which I would have never chosen these colors, and it's awesome looking. There was a cat here, and somebody took him off and put him in there. But it's so cute, and she picked those little witch fairies, which I think is so adorable. And so we had fun. I helped her glue the figures on, but she really did everything. So cute. These are little dollar pumpkin decorating kits, and so what we did was we came home and finger painted one day with from the teacher store. I had finger paint and stuff, and it had glitter in it, so they had so much fun. And then we had the little pumpkin decorating kits, so they got to put faces on the pumpkins. We just hung them up. Over here in the book area, we'll see another spider friend, and this little book recipe stand from Target, I believe Hearth and Hand, Chip and Joanna Gaines, love them. And so I have a little one of these picture books, we call it Scrapbook, for every holiday. This is the Halloween one, and I just print a few pictures every year, and I let my daughters put the stickers in, and it's just a really cute thing to have. So she chose the page today, and it was when she was 2, and we went to the pumpkin patch with our grandparents. I actually got this scrapbook at a discount store. I don't like to spend any money on this, and a lot of the stickers in here. Oh look, we were cheerleaders. I have a DIY pumpkin outfit a DIY cheer outfit I really want to share too. I never get to all the things I want to share every holiday. But I'll just flip through, and you can see I try to include different things. So like we like to make pumpkin seeds, and of course we live where it's very warm, so we don't carve our pumpkins until the last possible second. So we use a lot of stickers and paint until we can. And then of course this year we were like unicorn. I am a sucker for Michael's, and I do love these little phrase things. I used to make them back when I had more time, but I don't have time now, and Michael's does such a really good job. Hocus pocus, I need coffee to focus. Isn't that true, ladies? Some little pumpkin shakers there. When you are getting in the fall spirit, you definitely need to have some pumpkin latte hand soap, ladies. This is our guest room closet, and for decor in here, if you guys watch my videos, I make hats out of Starbucks container and other garbage, so I kind of have my hats up here to decorate this room. I was gonna turn this one into a wreath, but I ended up having enough to do the wreath, so I just left it. I also have these little trees in here that I love to decorate. Of course, this is a closet, but when you stand back, like you can see it. And so what I did for this is I got these little leaves from Michael's, and I just I cut a little hole in it so they would stick on the tree. And then at night, they're like little, where's the button here? Yeah, they're like little night lights. So that's really cute. And over here is another one. Do this. So yeah, I think that that's really cute. To also show these pumpkins that I actually made 11 years ago, I think, and I just used construction paper, and you can tell how old they are because they're like a little damaged. So you don't have to, if you can't really draw pumpkins or you don't want to print one off the internet, you can just go ahead and get, black, orange, green construction paper and make your own little faces. And so this is what I used to have. This was before we had kids. And just very simple and fun to do in the classroom, fun to do with kids, so that everybody is a pumpkin. I just really love it. We have these cute little ghosts we got at Target. You just stick them in your yard, and pumpkins all over our yard. We have a bunch of these ghosts hanging up in our tree. Chalk is really cheap and free to add a lot of decor to your backyard or your front yard. And another very cheap option is lighting. We just put these orange lights around our deck with a few dollar pumpkins, and it creates such a difference. I'll show a picture of it at night here. We're getting ready for Dia De Los Muertos, and of course we pulled out these candles, which you will see in one of my videos for Dia De Los Muertos. But these are old spaghetti jars and baby food jars that we had fun painting, and we put names of people that we love, that we miss, cats that we miss, and my daughter especially had a really fun time doing this, and this will go on our altar. So this is just a little extra painting jars for candles. It's really fun. Every year I pack up all the Halloween books and I put them in the Halloween bin so that when I take them out, they're like brand new books. And of course, some of our favorites are Room on the Broom, which there's a video on Netflix, and Clifford's First Halloween, and then this one, Pumpkin Moonshine. These are just a few of our favorites this year. But again, the trick is to take all the books and like hide them throughout the year so that they get excited about them. So you see Halloween books all year, they're not going to be into it. Back over in the play area, we have some of these masks, which everyone's familiar with. You can get these at Michael's, of course. This one's well loved. It's been broken. We have all of our musical stylings here, harmonicas and bells. But this is fun when we get the guitars out and we sing. And as you can see, my daughter, who's now 4, and my daughter, who's 1, love to contribute as well. This I made when my first daughter was 2, and I believe I used Sharpie and glitter nail polish. So that's a fun one. And they're just, every year they come out, they're really inexpensive, and it's just so great to have some theater arts and some cool things for play dates in your home. I don't like to spend a lot of money, and these little felt creatures are very easy to buy. They would probably only be a couple of dollars to make, although I did get these at a discount store, and we don't even hang them on nails. We just hang them off bricks off our fireplace. So just another fun and inexpensive way to add some Halloween to your home. In our window, you can see that I have some black construction paper that I went ahead and laminated and did some Charlie Brown silhouettes. I realized that we're missing a few pumpkins, and I never made the bottom of Charlie's body. So hoping to add a few more characters there, but we have Woodstock, Snoopy, Charlie, and of course a great big pumpkin. So that's just an easy, fun way. Just get some black paper, cut out some silhouettes and put them in your window. Just an easy, fun way. At night it looks great. Behind the bookcase, behind the book, is this net that we've used in other videos. And on Halloween time, we hang up our Halloween cards from grandparents and such. And it's just a really fun way to hang them up. You could also use some webbing or put some cobwebs on there, but this is just easy. I think that completes our Halloween tour of cheap, easy, free kid DIY decor in our home. And I hope you enjoyed. And if you have other ideas, please leave them in the comments below. I always love to hear what other people do in their home. And if you make a video, please go ahead and link it. We love seeing what other people do. Thank you so much, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!